You know the derivative of x square. Derivative of x square is 2x. 2 gets cancelled. This is equal to x. Integration of f of x plus g of x is equal to integral of f of x plus integral of g of x. Similarly, integration of f of x minus g of x dx is also equal to integral of f of x dx minus integral of g of x dx. So, term by term integration. Now, differentiation of cot x is minus cosecant square x. So, this can be written as minus 9 cot x plus c is the integrated answer. Hello dear students, welcome to this session of basic mathematics class. I am Mr. Niranjan, faculty department of mathematics, Vidhyaashram PU College, the Temple of Excellence. Today in this session I am going to take very important and simple chapter, that is indefinite integrals. So this is very important chapter, chapter 20, indefinite integrals. Then we are going to study the last chapter, definite integrals and the application of definite integrals. So let us discuss regarding indefinite integrals first. So before going to the exact chapter, let us know the weightage for this chapter. So the weightage for this indefinite integral is just you will get 5 marks. So 1 mark 2 questions, that is MCQ, 2 MCQ plus 1 3 marks question, totally 5 marks from this chapter. So 1 mark 2 questions you will get, 2 MCQ questions and 1 3 marks question. So that is from methods of integration. So totally 5 marks from this chapter. So a very simple chapter. So today I am going to discuss regarding what is the meaning of integration, that is antiderivatives, and the equations of standard integrals. So different formulas of standard integral, list of standard integrals and the method of integrations. Now let us know what is meant by this antiderivative. So integration is the inverse process or reverse process of or opposite process of differentiation. That is, so integration is a reverse process or opposite process or inverse process of a differentiation. So that means, suppose if you differentiate a function, say d by dx of f of x is equal to, you are going to get capital F of x. Then if you integrate, this is the symbol for integration, integration of f of x dx is equal to f of x. That means integration, so if you differentiate a function f of x, small f of x, you are going to get a capital F of x. If you integrate the answer, so you will get the function itself. That means the process of finding the function whose derivative is known is called integration. The process of finding a function whose derivative is known as the integration here. So if you differentiate f of x, the derivative of f of x is capital F of x. If you integrate capital F of x, you will get small f of x. That means differentiated function. So the process of finding a function whose derivative is known as integration. So therefore this integration is a reverse process or inverse process of a differentiation. Now there are two forms of integrals, that is the indefinite integrals and the definite integrals. So in this indefinite integrals, we are going to discuss regarding indefinite integrals. So you are going to get 5 marks from this indefinite integrals. The next part of the chapter is the definite integrals. So that we will discuss in the next sessions. Now let us know regarding the primitive or antiderivatives. Primitives or antiderivatives. Suppose, as I told you, a function f of x is called the primitive or antiderivative or an integral of the function f of x if d by dx of f of x is small f of x. So that means, so x square by 2 is the primitive of x because d by dx of x square by 2 is x. So because you know d by dx of, so you can take 1 by 2 into x square, here 1 by 2 constant. You know the derivative of x square, derivative of x square is 2x, 2 gets cancelled, this is equal to x. So similarly, sin x is the primitive of cos x because d by dx of sin x is cos x. So you integrate cos x, you will get sin x. Log x is the primitive of 1 over x. So because d by dx of log x is 1 over x. So if you integrate 1 over x, you will get a log x. So therefore, that is x square by 2 plus c is also primitive of x because d by dx of x square plus 2 is equal to x, where derivative of a constant is 0. d by dx sin x plus c is also the primitive of cos x because d by dx of sin x plus c is equal to cos x and derivative of constant c is 0. And similarly for log x plus c, the primitive is 1 over x because the differentiation of log x plus c is 1 over x plus c. Differentiation of log x is 1 over x, right? Differentiation of log x is 1 over x and derivative of a constant is 0, that's equal to 1 over x. So that means So the primitive of 1 over x is also equal to d by dx of so the log x plus c. Log x plus c is also the primitive of 1 over x, right? Now, indefinite integrals. Let f of x be a function, then the family of all its primitives or antiderivatives is called the indefinite integrals of f of x, and it is denoted as integral f of x dx. So the family of all the primitives or antiderivatives is called as indefinite integral of the function f of x, and it is denoted as integral f of x dx. So that is, if d by dx of capital F of x plus c is equal to small f of x, then integral of small f of x dx is equal to capital F of x plus c. So that is called as a integration of a function, right? So where f of x is the primitive of f of x and c is called the arbitrary constant called a constant of integration. Now, by knowing this, let us know regarding the standard results. So integral of x raised to n is x to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So because you know d by dx of x raised to n, what is differentiation of x raised to n is nx to the power of n minus 1, right? So if we integrate x raised to n, integration of x raised to n is x to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1, provided n is not equal to minus 1. So integration of dx can also be written as 1 into dx. So this one is nothing but x power 0 into dx. Integral of x power 0 plus 1 is 1 divided by 1, that's equal to x plus c. So integration of dx is equal to x plus c. Now integration of x to the power of n is x to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Suppose if x is equal to 2, what is n here? N is equal to 2. 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1, that is x cube divided by 3 plus c is called the constant of integration. Now suppose if you take x is equal to minus 1, x to the power of minus 1, integral of x raised to minus 1, because minus 1 plus 1 is 0 divided by x to the power of 0 is 1 divided by 0, it will get infinity. So therefore this can be written as integration of 1 over x dx. So what is integration of 1 over x is log x. So let me explain. Integration of 1 over x dx is equal to log x. As you know, d by dx of differentiation of log x is equal to 1 over x. So d by dx of log x is 1 over x. Integration of 1 over x dx is log x. Similarly, integration of e raised to x is e raised to x. Even differentiation of e power x is also e power x. Integration of a to the power of x. Integral of a power x dx is always equal to a to the power of x divided by log a to base c. Whereas differentiation of a raised to x is a raised to x into log a to base c. Now let us discuss regarding some integrations of some trigonometric functions. Now let me write. So integral of sin x, integration of sin x dx is equal to minus cos x plus c, because what is d by dx of minus cos x? So minus out, integration of cos x is minus sin x, minus into minus becomes it is plus sin x. So integration of sin x is minus cos x. Similarly, integration of cos x. So integration of cos x is equal to sin x plus c. The reason is differentiation of sin x is cos x. So integral of secant square x. Integral of secant square x dx is equal to tan x plus c. You know what is d by dx of tan x? Differentiation of tan x is equal to secant square x, right? Differentiation of tan x is secant square x. Integral of secant square x is tan x. So similarly, integral of cosecant square x. Integral of cosecant square x is equal to minus cot x plus c. And integration of secant x into tan x dx. So integration of secant x tan x is secant x. The reason is, since d by dx of secant x, derivative of secant x is equal to secant x into tan x, right? So integral of secant x tan x is equal to secant x. Similarly, integration of cosecant x cot x. So integral of cosecant x into cot x dx is equal to minus cosecant x plus c. The reason is, so integral of cosecant x cot x is minus cosecant x plus c, right? So integration of sin x is minus cos x, integration of cos x is sin x, integral of secant square x is tan x, integral of cosecant square x is minus cot x, integration of secant x tan x is secant x plus c, integral of cosecant x cot x is minus cosecant x plus c. Now, By knowing this, let us know regarding the properties of integral, that is the methods of integration, properties of indefinite integrals, that is called as the rules of integration, rules of integrals. So indefinite integrals, the first rule or first property, properties of integrations or rules. So d by dx of f of x is equal to capital X, and f dash x dx is equal to f of x plus c, where c is an arbitrary constant, right? So d by dx of integral of x is equal to f of x, and f dash x dx is equal to integration of f dash x is equal to f of x. So d by dx of integral of f of x is equal to the given function f of x itself, and integration of differentiated function f dash x is also equal to f of x. This is the first rule. Now, second one, property 2, if d by dx of integral of f of x dx is equal to d by dx of integral of g of x dx, then integral of f of x dx is yes. So d by dx of f of x dx is also equal to d by dx of integral of g of x dx. Then integration of the first function f of x dx plus c1 is also equal to integration of the second function g of x dx plus c2. Now this is very important. Integration of f of x plus g of x dx is equal to integration of f of x dx plus integration of g of x dx. So that is term by term integration. So suppose if it is similarly, suppose integral of f of x plus, instead of plus it is minus g of x dx. So then this can be integrated as integral of f of x dx minus integral of g of x dx. So that is term by term integration. So integration of f of x plus g of x is equal to integral of f of x plus integral of g of x. Similarly, integration of f of x minus g of x dx is also equal to integral of f of x dx minus integral of g of x dx. So term by term integration. Now suppose if the function is like this, that is a constant into function. Whenever a constant into function is there, means we can take constant out, constant is kept out. Constant into f of x dx integral is also equal to k into integration of f of x dx, where k is any constant, any real number. So next, term by term integration can also be written like this: integration of k1 into f of x plus k2 into f2x plus k3 into f3x plus etc. kn fn x dx is also equal to, you can write k1 constant out, k1 into integral of f of 1x dx plus k2 out, f of f2x dx, k3 out, f3x dx plus etc. kn out, integral of f of nx dx. So this is again a term by term integration, right? Now by knowing all these property, let us take few examples based on these properties. Now first one, as you know, what is the formula for integration of x raised to n? Integral of x to the power of n is x to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c, provided n is not equal to minus 1. Now if you observe what is n here, n is equal to 5, n is equal to 5. So this can be written as x to the power of 5 plus 1 divided by 5 plus 1 plus c. This is integral x power 6 by 6 plus c is the integrated answer. One mark question, right? So integration of x raised to 5 is 5 plus 1 is x power 6 by 6 plus c, right? Now suppose if it is like this, so here this is a constant into function. As you know, integration of constant to f of x dx can also be written as constant out into integration of f of x dx. So this is 6 out integral of root x dx. Now this root x can also be written as x to the power of 1 by 2. So this is equal to 6 into integral x raised to 1 over 2 dx. So here what is the value of n? N is equal to 1 by 2. X to the power of 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1, 6 into x to the power of, take LCM. So 1 by 2 plus 1, 2 is the LCM, 1 plus 2 ones are 2. This is equal to 3 by 2. X to the power of 3 divided by 2 divided by 3 by 2 plus c. Transfer this to the numerator, 6 into 2 by 3 x to the power of 3 by 2 plus c. 3 2s gets cancelled, 2 2s are 4. So 4 times x to the power of 3 by 2 plus c is the integrated answer. 4 into x to the power of 3 by 2 plus c is the integrated answer. Okay, very simple for 1 mark. Now move on to the next problem. So integration of This is again 1 over 5 constant, integral of 1 over e raised to minus x dx. Now, this can be written as you know, integration of e raised to x is e raised to x itself. So, since there is one formula, integration 1 over a raised to minus m is also equal to 1 over plus a raised to m. So, if you take this to the numerator, e raised to minus x can also be written as e to the power of plus x. So, this is 1 over 5 as it is, integral. Transfer this to the numerator, then this becomes e raised to plus x dx. So, 1 over 5 into integration of e power x is e power x plus c. The answer is 1 over 5 e to the power of x plus c is the integrated answer. Okay. Now, move on to the next problem. So, here this is nothing but 8 into 1 over cosecant x dx. So, you know 1 over, what is the formula for 1 over cosecant theta? 1 over cosecant x is also equal to sin x, the reciprocal relation, sin x. 1 over cosecant is sin x. So, what is integration of sin x? Integration of sin x is minus cos x plus c. So, this is minus 8 times cos x plus c is the integrated answer. Okay, hope you followed. Right. Now, the next problem, integral 9 by sine square x. So, just this 9 out, we can write 1 over sine square x dx. Let me know. So, you know the reciprocal relation, since 1 over sine theta is also equal to cosecant x. 1 over sine x is equal to cosecant x. So, this is 9 into 1 over sine square is cosecant square x dx. Now, what is integral of cosecant square x? So, integral of cosecant square x is minus cot x plus c. You know, differentiation of cot x is minus cosecant square x. So, this can be written as minus 9 cot x plus c is the integrated answer. Okay. Now, move on to the next problem. So, that is term by term integration. So, integral of 2x square minus 3 by x plus 2 e raised to x dx. So, before this, let us know some. So, we know integration of x raised to n dx is equal to x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. Suppose if integral of x square can be written as x to the power of 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1, that is equal to x cube by 3 plus c. Suppose if it is like this, x to the power of minus 2, this is nothing but minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1, this is x raised to minus 1 by minus 1, or this can also be written as minus, bring this to the denominator, minus x raised to minus 1 becomes plus, and this is minus 1 by x. Okay. Suppose if it is like this, integral of cube root of x dx. So, this can be written as integral of x to the power of 1 over 3. So, if you integrate this x to the power of 1 by 3 plus 1 divided by 1 by 3 plus 1, that is equal to 3 ones are 3 plus 1 is 4 by 3 divided by 4 by 3. This is in case of fractions. Right. Now, come just move on to the next problem based on this. So, how to integrate this? This is term by term integral. We know that since integration of f of x plus g of x plus etc. d of x means this is nothing but term by term integration. Integration of f of x dx plus integration of g of x dx plus etc. number of terms. So, here this is equal to integral of 2x square dx minus integration of 3 by x dx plus integration of 2 e to the power of x dx, that is term by term integration. Now, this is equal to 2 out integral of x square dx minus 3 constant out integration of 1 over x dx plus 2 constant again integral of e power x dx. Now, this is equal to 2 into integral of x square, x to the power of 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 is x cube by 3, x to the power of 3 by 3 minus 3 into, you know what is integration of 1 over x is log x, right? Integration of 1 over x is log x plus 2 into integral of e to the power of x is e to the power of x itself. So, therefore, this can be written as 2x cube by 3 minus 3 log x plus 2 e power x plus c is the integrated answer. That's it. Hope you followed. Very simple, just term by term integration. Now, move on to the next problem. Next problem is integral of root x into 1 minus 1 by x. So, this can be written as just multiply it. Root x into 1 is root x minus root x into 1 over x dx. Since you know root x is also equal to x to the power of 1 by 2. So this can be written as x to the power of 1 by 2 minus x to the power of 1 by 2 into, take this to the numerator, it becomes minus 1 over x is also equal to x to the power of minus 1 into dx. So this is equal to just to the power of 1 by 2 as it is. So just apply law of indices. A to the power of m into a raised to n is a to the power of m plus n. Right, a to the power of m plus n. So this is x to the power of 1 by 2 plus into minus 1 dx. So this is equal to integral of x raised to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 minus 1 is nothing but minus 1 by 2 dx. Right, 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Now term by term integration. So this is integral of x to the power of 1 by 2 dx minus integral of x to the power of minus 1 over x dx. So integrate it, x to the power of 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 minus integral of minus 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. This is x to the power of 2 ones are 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 minus, this can be written as minus 1 by 2 plus 1, take LCM, 2 is LCM, minus 1 plus 2 is equal to plus 1 by 2. So this is x to the power of 1 by 2 by 1 by 2 plus c, or just take this to the numerator, 2 by 3, x to the power of 3 by 2 minus 2 by 1 is 2 times x raised to 1 by 2 plus c. You can stop here itself, or if you want you can also write, this can also be written as 2 by 3 x to the power of 3 by 2 minus 2 into x raised to 1 by 2 is nothing but root x plus c. So this is also the answer. So you can stop here itself, or you can also write 2 by 3 x to the power of 3 by 2 minus 2 root x plus c is the integrated answer. So for 3 marks or 2 marks, right? Okay, now move on to the next problem. So integral e to the power of 5 log x plus 5 to the power of 3 log x to base 5, right? Now this can be written as term by term integral, integral of, before this, so you might have been studied formulas in logarithms. Logarithm of a to the power of m to base b is equal to m log a to base b. So you might have been studied the formulas in logarithms. Logarithm of a to the power of m to base b is also equal to m log a to base b. Now let us simplify this first. So e to the power of 5 log x. 5 log x, this can be written as e to the power of log x to the power of 5. So you know this e to the power of log is equal to 1, that's nothing but x to the power of 5. So this becomes x raised to 5 plus, again, so 5 to the power of 3 log x to base 5. Again, so this 3 log x to base 5 can also be written as, so this is nothing but logarithm of x to the power of 3 to base 5. Therefore 5 to the power of 3 log x to base 5 can be written as 5 to the power of log x cube to base 5. So since there is one formula, we know that a to the power of log x by a is also equal to x. So this can be written as x to the power of 3. So therefore this becomes x cube dx. Very simple. See here. Now listen to me. So you might have been studied the formulas in logarithms. Logarithm of a to the power of m to base b is equal to m log a to base b. Now let us simplify this. E to the power of 5 log x. So e to the power of 5 log x is nothing but, first e as it is. So 5 log x is nothing but log x to the power of 5. M log a to base b can be written as logarithm of a to the power of m, logarithm of x to the power, e and log gets cancelled. So this is equal to x to the power of 5. Next, 5, yes, second part, convert this first. 3 log x to base 5. N log m can also be written as log m to the power of n. Log m is x to the power of n is 3. So logarithm of x cube to base 5. Now convert this. 5 to the power of 3 log x to base 5 can be written as, so 5 to the power of 3 log x to base 5 is nothing but logarithm of x cube to base 5. Since there is one formula, a to the power of log x by a is also equal to x. So using this concept, this can be written as x cube. So x cube, right? So that is 5 to the power of log x cube to base 5 is also equal to x. Now integrate it. That's it. Now term by term integration. So that is integral of x to the power of 5 dx plus integration of x cube dx. So you know integral of x to the power of 5 is 5 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 plus integral of x to the power of 3 is 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1. That's equal to integral of 5 plus 1 is 6 divided by 6 plus integral of 3 plus 1 is 4 divided by 4 plus c is the integrated answer. So the integrated answer for e power 5 log x plus 5 to the power of 3 log x to base 5 dx is equal to x power 6 by 6 plus x to the power of 4 by 4 plus c is the integrated answer. That's it. Hope you followed. So these are few problems based on the properties of indefinite integrals. That's all regarding today's session. Let us meet with a different concept in the next session. Thank you. Thank you very much.